English tutor here at 51 Talk. Do you like to learn English the fun way? Then you have to let me teach you. Since I was a little girl, I've always loved the English language because when you speak English very well, you can go any places you like and you will not feel scared to talk to different kinds of people. Do you know what else I love? I love arts and crafts. I love colorful things. I love going to the beach, and I also love singing. Do you like singing too? Well, you can tell me more about what you like and what you love to do when you book any of my classes, and I will also make sure that while you learn English, you're also going to have the greatest time. So, I'll see you in class. Bye-bye!